Hi everybody, I'm Valerie Martin, TLS Health and Weight Loss Coach, and I want to take a minute today and talk to you about vitamin D. Do you know that every single cell in your body has a vitamin D receptor site in it? Heart cells, brain cells, muscle cells, as well as vitamin D helps to support your immune system and your mood. Doctors today find that people that suffer from depression very often have very low levels of vitamin D. And recently, studies show that vitamin D is 6 times more effective than the flu shot, and I certainly like the sound of that. Now, I know you might be thinking, hey, I live in the sunshine state, I got lots of sunshine. Chances are if you do, you're lathered up with sunscreen, and that's going to prevent vitamin D absorption into your body. And if you live in the Northeast like I do, we're bundled up a good portion of the year, so a little hard for us to get adequate levels of vitamin D too. Doctors also find today that patients benefit when their levels of vitamin D are in the upper limits, meaning a range of 50 to 75, because that puts them in optimal health range. And we certainly want optimal health, not minimal health, right? When you're looking to choose a vitamin D supplement, you also want to make sure that it's free of any binders, fillers, and coloring agents. You want to make sure that you're choosing one that's highly bioavailable, meaning easily for your body to absorb, right? And we also want to make sure that we choose one that is going to be cost effective for the money that we're spending, that it's going to be the greatest value. And one of my favorite brands is the Isotonix brand of vitamin D with K2. And the reason I like this so much is because of the delivery system. Isotonic means that it's the same osmotic pressure as your blood, sweat, and tears. Therefore, it's easily bioavailable, easily absorbed into the body. Now, isotonic brand supplements are powders, and they need to be mixed with a certain amount of water to keep them in an isotonic state so they're easily absorbed. And that's a good thing. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the cap on the top that closes the bottle, and you're going to fill this with exactly 1 cap of your vitamin D supplement. You're then going to take this powder, pour it into the clear overcap. You're going to fill it to the halfway mark, the little white line here. So for every 1 cap of isotonic supplements, you need 2 ounces of water. That creates the isotonic solution. It's going to fizz for a moment, and it tastes absolutely delicious. You're going to drink it down, and that's going to give you your serving of vitamin D for the day. Now, if by chance you get your levels tested and you happen to be very low, your doctor may require you to up your vitamin D, and that's going to mean that you might need 2 caps of vitamin D. If that's the case, you're going to put 2 caps of the vitamin D into the cup, fill it to the 4 ounces mark right at the very top, 2 ounces here, 4 ounces here, stir, and drink it down. You might need to do that for roughly 4 to 6 weeks, and then go back to 1 cap daily. After about usually 2 to 3 months, your doctor is going to ask you to get your levels checked again to make sure you're in those upper limits, and you should be all set. Now, the other thing that's really important and that I love about the isotonic vitamin D with K2 is that K2 helps drive calcium deeper into your bones, and that's really important. So you want to make sure that if you're taking a vitamin D supplement, not only for its health benefits, but when paired with calcium, it helps to drive calcium deeper into the bone. It has that K2 in it because that's exactly what vitamin D does. It's utilized and drives calcium deeper into our bones. And we want stronger bone density, we want stronger blood vessels, certainly. So you can see all the benefits that vitamin D with K2 have for us. As we said, every single cell in our body has a vitamin D receptor site in it and benefits from that. So when you're looking to choose a vitamin D supplement, I hope you'll take a look at the Isotonic brand with vitamin K2. I'm going to post a link at the bottom so you can check out all the science and benefits there. And if you have any questions, I'm happy to assist. Here's to your health, and have a great day, everybody.